Welcome to Epicor Clips ERP End of Months Reports 2 series. This presentation covers the picker report, and this is used to audit warehouse order picker performance, and only useful, of course, if you have pickers set up and identified in your system. This would normally be used in an RF warehouse environment, and probably it's not very often that pickers would be set up and reported on in a non-RF warehouse environment, although you could. Before you go about running a picker report, you better have pickers. And in order to identify a user as a picker in the system, you go into User Maintenance, and under Options you Checkmark Picker. Once you've saved these settings and they log out of Eclipse and back in, then that will take effect and the system will start recording the pickers for the report. Once you've identified users as pickers, then you can select them in the header section of Sales Order Entry, as seen here below. So after some time, after you have had pickers set up and you have been selecting pickers in Sales Order Entry, then at some point in the future you can go ahead and start running the picker report to see the performance. So we're going to go ahead and run our example report, and here I'm just doing it for 1 month, and I'm doing it against all pickers and not a specific one. And we're going to go ahead and do it for sales orders and see what we get. The report output lacks detail, but it does give you an idea of the number of items and the total number of dollars, and you're going to have to use your wisdom on this to decide who's performing and who's not, because of course you can have a large number of items that are onesie, twosie, 89-cent things and don't add up to a whole lot, or someone that just seems to move around large spools of bulk wire. So your mileage may vary, and you have to use your judgment. And that completes our presentation on the picker report. Thank you for your attention. This has been Doug Fashing.